Alright, today we're looking at lesson 12, the draw loop, going through some practice activities in code.org. So if you look at this one, what we're running is we have these two alien characters, and we'll just kind of read through the directions here. It says run the program, see how it works, add code to this program to make the other alien shake like the first. And we are using a draw loop now, so we have this which will run over and over and over. It's going to draw the background. It's going to draw an ellipse. And then we're going to take the green alien and we're going to rotate it. We're going to change that rotation by -5 or to 5. So if we run this, we can see that this alien is doing this, but the other one is not. So let's go ahead and oh, and the ellipse, actually this is how the dots show up on here, this is the ellipse being these small dots that you see on the screen. So that's what's going on with those. So what we want to do is recreate this here essentially, but with the pink alien. So, and every time the loop runs, what happens is the rotation is changing between -5 and 5. And so one time it might be -5, the next time it might be 2, it might be 3, it might be 5, it might be -1. And that's just changing every time, and that's what's giving the illusion of that's shaking. All right, so we're going to go ahead over here in sprites. We're going to drag out this rotation. And we're going to go ahead and call this pink. Oops. And when you do this, make sure that you go up here and you're spelling it correctly. So we have pink alien. And it looks like we do. So we're still getting an error because we haven't completed this yet. But we're going to go to math and we're going to input this random number into this box. And let's keep it the same as what they have with this. So we're going to make this -5 and 5. All right, so pink alien is going to run the same way as the green alien does, just going to rotate randomly between -5 and 5. So let's go ahead and run that. And there you can see it shaking just like the other one. All right, so that's kind of how you generate that. It's using a random number. Makes it pretty simple. And hopefully that helps you. All right, good luck.